Once upon a time, three charming cousins named Sophia, Lily, and Isabella lived in a happy village amidst apple-filled trees in a colourful garden. Every morning, they would gather together with the first rays of the sun and pick apples together. One day, Sophia asked, "Why don't we pick the apples from our own trees?" Lily replied with a laugh, "Because this garden belongs to all of us. Helping each other allows us to gather more apples." Isabella added, "Yes, and working together is more fun. Being beside each other while everyone picks from their own tree brings us happiness." With these words, the three cousins went under their respective trees. Helping each other, they filled their apple baskets. The time they spent laughing, singing, and supporting each other brought them closer together. As days passed, Sophia, Lily, and Isabella not only picked apples, but also discovered each other's strengths. Sophia became an expert in climbing trees. Lily mastered quickly, picking fallen apples, and Isabella charmingly chased away birds to keep them away from the trees. One day, a big storm hit the garden. Trees swayed, and apples fell to the ground. Sophia, Lily, and Isabella immediately came together. Working together, they supported and gathered the damaged trees. After the storm passed, the garden became stronger and more vibrant. The three cousins realized that they were even closer because they had overcome challenges together. In every corner of the garden, the beauties of friendship and cooperation were blossoming. And from that day on, Sophia, Lily, and Isabella stood together to pick apples and protect the garden. Every tree in the garden flourished even more with their love and solidarity. In the end of the tale, we understand that these three charming cousins and their friendship and love for each other were the most precious fruits in the garden.